Here's a look at the WOLFBOX dash camera. Pretty cool camera. You can see it has magnets to mount it on. Here's some of the video footage you can see coming from the dash camera. So it's pretty good quality. Here it is at night. Nothing impressive or super fancy at night, but overall it's really nice. I like, if you look at the bottom, you can see that it has the date, the time, GPS coordinates, how fast you're going. I like that it has all this information on the video feed itself. So you can go back, you can look at it, you can know exactly where you were. Here's a pretty cool place that I went last week. Made me feel a little bit claustrophobic, but yeah, I like the footage from this dash camera. So here is the box that it comes in, the dash camera itself. Pretty small, standard size. It comes with a few tools to help you get things installed. It comes with this orange thing to put the cord in your car. Here is the GPS unit that attaches via magnet. So it's really nice how that fits together. Here is the power cord with USB-C. I like that it uses USB-C like everything now. The dash camera is pretty lightweight. So here you got the USB-C port on the left side, as well as the micro SD port slot. You've got your navigation buttons. So to install it, make sure that you clean your window really well because it does stick with adhesive. I tried to put the cord in my car. It kept on falling out. So I came up with this hack where I wrapped Velcro around the cord and then I put it in, and it stays in really well actually. It has not come out at all. So here you can see how I kind of installed the wire in my van. I did use some cable ties to kind of attach that at the bottom there, but here is the navigation. So once you put in the micro SD card, it will ask you to format it, and then you have a bunch of options like what kind of video quality you want to use, screensaver, connecting to Wi-Fi so you can use this with your phone, setting the date, setting the time zone, and all sorts of things. And then screensaver, you can set the screensaver to be a video feed or show the time and speed, so like just an extra speedometer. But I've really been happy with this dash camera. I went on vacation this past weekend, and it's nice that I have all this footage of where I went, and so I can look back and see some of what I did, save some of the cool moments from the trip. I got this for free to do this review. I don't have any real complaints with it. The image quality I think is not amazing or stellar, but it's good and it does exactly what it needs to do. I really like how it has that information on the bottom, how fast you're going, GPS coordinates, all this stuff like that.